Exciting news for Garmin fans. The upcoming Fenix 8 series offers a perfect blend of style and performance, with no need to compromise on battery life. A recent leak confirms that the Fenix 8 series will feature both MIP and AMOLED display options, giving you the freedom to choose between the classic battery-saving MIP and the vivid high-contrast AMOLED. Designed for those who lead an active lifestyle, the Garmin Fenix 8 series offers versatility with two distinct display choices. Whether you're drawn to the traditional look and efficiency of the MIP or the dynamic, colorful AMOLED, there's a Fenix 8 model to match your style. The Fenix 8 series is available in three sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, ensuring a comfortable fit for any wrist. No matter your preference for a smaller or larger watch face, Garmin has crafted a design that suits everyone, allowing you to focus on what matters: tracking your activities and staying connected. When it comes to battery life, the Fenix 8 series truly excels. The 51mm Solar Edition boasts an impressive battery life of up to 48 days in smartwatch mode, and with solar charging it can last even longer. This makes it perfect for extended adventures where charging isn't always an option. Garmin has also enhanced the display quality in the Fenix 8 series. With slimmer bezels, the watch face is now larger and easier to read. For those who prefer a more immersive experience, the AMOLED display offers vibrant colors and superior contrast, making it a pleasure to use whether you're working out or simply checking the time. For divers, the Fenix 8 series introduces a scuba diving feature, allowing you to track and log your underwater adventures. Additionally, hands-free communication is made easy with calling and voice assistant features, and the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor ensures more accurate tracking of your fitness. In conclusion, the Garmin Fenix 8 series is set to be a must-have for anyone passionate about the outdoors or fitness. With its outstanding battery life, stunning display options, and innovative features, this watch is ready to support your active lifestyle. Garmin has once again raised the bar, and we can't wait to see the possibilities it will unlock for you.